I'm fine to hear, Alhamdulillah. Don't forget to keep discipline with health protocol 5M. Menjaga jarak, memakai masker, mencuci tangan, menjauhi kerumunan, dan membatasi mobilitas. Okay, today we are going to learn chapter 1 or lesson 1. We will sing the Ondel-Ondel song. And the topics today is simple future tense using will for grade 6. Before we continue, do you know what is the meaning of will? Will in bahasa Indonesia means ingin or akan. Akan or ingin. Jadi will artinya akan. So we will make sentence using will. Let's get to the example. There is will, and if we want to make sentence, we need subject. Jadi kalau kita ingin membuat sebuah kalimat, kita membutuhkan subject. So subject ada apa aja? First, I, you, they, we, he, she, and it. Nah, it ini kita bisa ganti dengan nama orang. So, kita tambahkan subject di depan kata will. I will choose I for the subject. So, I will add I in front of will or before will. So, I will. Saya akan. So, after will, we add verb. Last week, we have learned about verb 1, verb 2, and verb 3. And this simple future tense, after will, we add verb 1. So, I will choose go. I will go. And then we can change the subject. Example, she will go. He will go. They will go. We will go. Terserah kita mau pakai subjek apa saja, tergantung kalimat yang akan kita buat. And I want to change the verb, but the verb is still verb 1. I will sing. And then you can change the subject again. She will sing. They will sing. He will sing. And others. Or maybe we can use a name of person. Example, Anita will sing. Juki will sing. And then I will change the verb into visit. I will visit. You will visit. Juki will visit. Juki and Andi will visit. And then after verb 1, we can add adverbs of place, keterangan tempat, or adverbs of time, keterangan waktu. So after verb 1, we add adverbs of place or adverbs of time. Jadi, kalau kita ingin membuat kalimat simple future tense, susunan kalimatnya yang benar adalah subject, will, verb 1, object, adverb of place or adverb of time. So, I will add adverb of place and adverb of time. Example, I will go. I as a subject, will, and then go as a verb 1, and then I will add adverbs of place. Example, keterangan tempatnya adalah Monas. So, I will go to Monas. Saya akan pergi ke Monas. Kapan? Keterangan waktunya. So, I will use tomorrow. Besok. I will go to Monas tomorrow. So, I as a subject, and then you add will, and then after will you add verb 1, and then after verb 1 you can add object or adverb of place and adverb of time. Another example, I will sing the Ondel-Ondel song. So, I will sing the ondel-ondel song. I as subject, and then you add will, and then you add verb 1, and then you add object. The ondel-ondel song is an object. I will visit Kota Tua next week. Can you translate into Indonesia? Apa artinya dalam bahasa Indonesia? Good. Saya akan mengunjungi Kota Tua minggu depan atau minggu besok. Good job. Okay. Before we continue to next material, listen to me and repeat the words out loud. Don't be shy. Repeat after me. First, I will go to Monas with my family. Good. We will go to Monas by a bus. Good job. My friend and I will see an ondel-ondel performance at Monas. Good. We will sing the ondel-ondel song together. Good. We will buy kerak telur at Monas. Good. We will take some pictures. Good job. And then the last is, we will be very happy. Good job. You can see this sentence on your book on the page 2. So let's get to the conversation.
What will you do tomorrow, Ali?
I will sing with my sister.
Where will you go next week, James?
I will go to Monas next week. Hello, may I speak to RD?
Hello, yeah, it's me.
Oh, hi RD. I want to ask you something.
What is it?
What will you do tomorrow?
I will just stay at home. What's the matter?
Will you join my study group? We will study together tomorrow.
Yeah, sure. I will come tomorrow. See you.
So you can open your book, page 6. Okay, listen to me reading this text while you reading it too.
We will have a holiday next week. My friend, Joko, will spend time in Jakarta during the holiday. I will meet him and show him Betawi culture. We will go around Jakarta and visit some places. First, we will go to Monas. We will see many things there, such as ondel-ondel, traditional foods, and etc. Then, we will go to Taman Mini Indonesia Indah. We will see many Indonesian traditional houses. Finally, we will go to Setu Babakan. We will taste the traditional foods of Jakarta and watch an ondel-ondel performance there. I'm sure we will have so much fun there.
Now, let's do the exercise. Arrange the words. There are some words. Will, they, Jakarta Fair, tonight, visit. And before this, we have learned how to make a sentence using will. First, you have to add subject, and then will, and then verb 1, and then object or adverbs of time or adverbs of places. So subject, we can find this subject is, they. They is subject, and then after subject you add good, will. After will you add verb 1, good job. Verb 1 is visit. And then after the verb 1 Okay, adverb of place or object. Jakarta Fair. And then adverbs of time, keterangan waktu. Keterangan waktunya adalah tonight. So, the right sentence is they will visit Jakarta Fair tonight. Understand? I hope you understand. And the next is play football will next week. And the subject is I. Okay, after I, will. After will, you add verb 1. Which one is the verb 1? Play football. Good. I will play football next week. Keterangan waktu. Good job. After we learn about will or simple future tense, you have to do your tasks. And your tasks are page 6, part F. It is arrange the words. And you can do on your book, take picture and submit to the Google Classroom. And then the second task is page 7, part H. So you have to create a story based on the pictures on your book. You can take a picture and submit to Google Classroom. Thank you so much for today. I hope you understand about the material about will or simple future tense and you can make sentence using will. See you next week. Stay safe and healthy. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.